This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Jeremy Veldman. Investors only. Do not disturb tenant. SFH rented for $895 per month, managed by a local professional management company. Lease expires July 31, 2022. Tenant moved in July 1, 2020. Renovated in March 2016 including brand new roof and water heater. Maintenance report and tenant payment history available upon request. Showings only with accepted offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeremy Veldman at 901-221-4041.